Hello, I'm Brian Donahue, President of Safety Speed Manufacturing. I'm introducing our 4375 wide belt sander. We've been manufacturing it since the early 2000s. The 43x75 allows for a 43-inch board to process through, and it has a 75-inch wide belt on there so that it keeps the wood cool as you go through it and not creating a lot of heat, which can affect your finish on your wood. So the 4375 wide belt sander is a heavily built machine right here in our US manufacturing plant in Minnesota. The machine has a simple design. Comes with a small on-off button for your air controls. Comes with a on-off button for your sanding head, which actually rotates your sanding belt. Also included is the hour meter for tracking your hours and maintaining your machines properly. Your conveyor table comes with a synthetic belt that allows you to basically dress it so that it will really hold your material tight when it's going through the contact roller. In addition, it has a variable speed dial so that you can actually change the speed that you're sanding at depending on the type of wood and how much you are taking off each pass. Also, it's integrated emergency stops both on the panel here at the front for your operator, and also an integrated stop if the door would be open during operation for your sanding door. Up top here, you'll see you have adjustability for your air control valves, which actually help to see what your transfer of your sanding belt back right to left. So this machine is known as what you call a combination machine. It allows you to sand with your contact roller, which is a 5 1/4 inch contact rubber drum. And then it also has the ability to drop a platen into place for your finish sanding, which is a 2-inch ability to basically put pressure down on that finished work you're doing. Our heavy duty conveyor table has an adjustability from an 1/8 inch all the way up to a 7 1/4 inch thickness. So the standard option is just a manual hand crank for cranking your table up and down to get that bigger depth. If you do change between 1/8 inch and go to 7 inch on a regular basis, you can actually do our optional power raise and lower table. Other key features within our 4375 wide belt sander is our integrated dust chute, which is 6 inches connection, and it spans the whole width of your sanding capacity. In addition, this machine can be in a single or 3-phase configuration with different voltage options. I hope you take the time to look at safetyspeed.com to learn more about the product, or call one of our expert sales technicians for more information.